Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be showing you how I made these chocolate fudge cheesecake brownies. Let's hop into it. Alright, so I'm starting off with this box of Duncan Hines fudge, chewy fudge brownie mix. You can use whatever brownie mix you want. And then I'm just going to go ahead and follow the directions from the back. So I am adding in the powder mix, the brownie mix, and 2 eggs. Also, I have a cup of oil that it requires, and for me, I am adding in some flavoring as well. So I'm adding in some clear vanilla extract. And so you're just going to go ahead and mix it up and just keep mixing it until the brownies are well blended together. In other words, when all the powder mix is gone. Okay, so now that I am done mixing it up, I am going to go ahead and use my pan here. This is an 8-inch pan. So I am going to go ahead and add the brownie mix to it. If you're wondering what this is around it, it's parchment paper, makes an easy release. So I sprayed the pan down first, and then I put the parchment paper on and just like firmly pressed it down until the parchment paper stuck. This is just going to help me get the cheesecake and the brownies out. Instead of having to flip it over, I can just, pull it out from the parchment paper. So to make the cheesecake filling, I am going to be using the same pan that, or bowl, sorry, that I put the brownie mix in. And I left the brownie mix in there because I want to have some part of the brownie inside of my cheesecake filling. So I'm using 1 whole stick of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 egg, and a 1/3 cup of sugar. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my hand mixer to mix this up. If you don't have a hand mixer, use a wooden spoon or, a really tough spoon so that you're able to get that cream cheese to turn soft as you need it to be for the cream cheese filling. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and pour this cheesecake filling right on top of the brownie mix. I'm going to make sure I get everything up out of here and spread it around. So these are going to bake at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and voila, they are done. I ain't take you through all the other process. This is just a quick video on how I made this dessert for my kids, which someone had already cut a piece before I got a chance to get in here. Okay, take my pictures. I guess I was taking too long. So this is how they look: the brownie on the bottom, the cheesecake on the top. They are so delicious. Okay, so I just decided to add some chocolate syrup to the top. You can add whatever you want, nuts, caramel, doesn't matter. But y'all, these are good. Definitely try them. Give this video a like, comment, and share. See you next time.